So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing, I think it's a Kohler Highline curve. They make the arc, and I think this is the curve model. Anyways, we picked these up straight out of Lowe's as per the request of the homeowner. Got these installed out here. It's a brand new tract home, maybe a year to two old. It was a model home, and so we just changed up the toilets. Big fan of Kohler, so that's all that we set. And then over here, Acorn style shutoff valve, so in integrated supply line. So we don't do anything with that. Reason B is it's all one piece. Normally we'll give you a new supply line, but these are new enough to where they should last. We don't like the Acorn shutoff valves in combination supply because they leak. A lot of plumbers like them because they're quick. You just shove them on, you're done. Anyway, so we didn't do anything with that. But you do have two new wax rings, new brass bolts. Got it tightened down. It's a real nice, real tight installation. Then of course it's caulked back in, and it's got the soft close, all the seat here, and then of course the upper seat. So that's all good. That is the first bathroom. So this is master bath, and we've got one more. Instead of stopping the video, I'm just gonna show you a picture of the floor, just for privacy of the home and the homeowner. All bath, same thing, so you can see. Same toilet. So both these came out of Lowe's. I'm going to shut this fan off. This one's a little tight. The rough end was about 11 inches off of baseboard, so you can see the bowl almost hitting. So it just sneaked in there. So identical. I won't go through everything again, but same thing. New bolts, new wax rings, soft close seat, Kohler Highline curve toilet, and again, straight out of Lowe's. Both toilets are filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly, so that's good. Anyways, like I say, big fan of Kohler. Loves using their products. Any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come out and take care of this right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.